So hello everyone. Today we'll talk about SIP. So you can check this family account as there. If you do a monthly SIP 10,000, then it will grow 9.5 like in a year. Then you can check IPOs. You can check IPOs. Invest now. Alright. So these are the tax saver. If you want to save your tax, then you can do smart mover means minimum invest 19,000 and so on and so forth. But you can check another things like go to product go to mutual fund and then search any type of mutual fund is there, right? You can check 750 plus mutual fund here. For example, you can for example, if you want to buy this, then you can go to set up SIP minimum rupees 100, or you can do for example 1000, and you can add SIP date. Selected SIP date is there. For example, I want to cut my money on 28, right? And then this OTP will come, right? You can add on these OTP, so you can add on. So these are the stocks, debenture. You can do this FD minimum investment as there. Shriram, which will give up to 9.1%, so minimum investment 5,000, right? So these are the debenture. You can go to this pre-IPOs also there. You have to invest. So these are very important thing. You can do any type of investing is there, right? Once your money invested, you can check now how much you have invested, how much return you are getting, right? So initially it's very low, but uh, when you are giving a lot of time to your mutual fund or SIPs, it will grow nicely. So thank you, have a nice day.